Right, so Muzili G4, they come with those nice green hooks, but they also come originally with the black ones actually, but I really like the green ones much more, so I swapped. Now, these are very strange ones in a way. So I have had quite a few of those headsets. For example, I have some other models with me here, and also I had two other models as well that I don't have. So I've tested quite a few of those. And when I first opened this box, I thought, I did a quick test and I thought, you know what, I will give them 3 stars or maybe two even. But as I started playing with them, I realized that they have some really good points about them. So eventually I gave them 5 stars, but probably 4.5. So uh, they have one major annoying thing, which is kind of not good, but at the same time, their other headphones, they have more annoying points than just one. So for once, I need to close the box to make them disconnect. The moment I open the box, they turn on, which is annoying because sometimes I just want to have a look at them or check something or whatever, and they start connecting, and obviously they will pair with my phone and they will hijack the sound, and while they are in the box, they will not play anything. So if I remove them, they will start playing, and the same thing happens when I put them back in the box. They stop playing the sound, nothing comes out of it, but they still tell the phone that they are on, and the phone keeps sending them the sound. So really annoying, so I need to close the box for them to disconnect. Now, on the bright side, they're very fast. So when I close the box, it's around 2 seconds and they disconnect, and they do it without a fail, which is a good point because many other headsets like this, they're kind of hit and miss. And also when I open it, they take around 2 seconds to connect to my phone as well, which is a world record, I could say. I don't know really, but my others, the fastest ones or fairly fast are these INAC F1, a bit more expensive or much more expensive, and they take around 5 to 7 seconds, and these only take 2 seconds. So I won't even have time to put them on my ears, and they are already connected to the phone. So why they are strange? Well, they have a bit of a funny shape, so I think they will fit most people. But here's the thing: when I put them in, by the way, those hooks can be removed. You don't need them at all, and those will still fit in the ears. They fitted in my ears and didn't fall without the hooks. And with hooks, obviously, there's a bit better, but when I put them in my ears like this, I'm gonna demonstrate you, I can only hook them a little bit. If I wanna hook them completely like this, there is no suddenly I can hear the environment, which is kind of maybe a good thing sometimes. If I wanna speak with someone, I can just stop the music and move them like this. Now I can hear what's happening, but at the same time the sound quality drops massively. So I need to push them forward to more or less this position to have a really good sound quality. So that's the thing about them. Now, the sound quality is really, really good. I was surprised. I think they have the best sound quality out of all the ones I have, including these, which are around 50% more expensive. And I was surprised. So the bass is very kind of boomy, but in a good way, as opposed to some others which are very boomy but so-so. They sound great, basically. Obviously, they probably won't sound as good as some headsets for 200 quid, because these are 40 pounds at the moment or so. But they're really, really good. The best ones out of all the other headphones or headsets. So is it good for everyone? No. The challenge with these I have is that I needed to put the biggest caps because the medium size, which is normally perfect for me, was too small. So again, there was not enough isolation, and the sound here, it didn't sound very good. So when I switched to the largest ones, they were good for me. So if you are a person who needs a large cap, these won't be good for you unless you can adapt bigger caps from other headphones, which is possible because they're fairly standard. This thing on which you put it on, I think is fairly standard, and you can easily stretch the rubber cap from other headsets. Even if you just need to stretch it a little bit, it won't be an issue, I think. So they're really good, so because they have a very good sound quality and they're very fast. Now, the other thing that I don't think is very good is the fact that the buttons, they're kind of difficult to press. Not difficult, but they require a lot of force. So I would be pressing, against my ear quite a lot. It's okay, but there are better options. Okay, so that's it. Comfort. Now, comfort is really good. They're very comfortable. When I put them in my ears with the hooks in, I feel I can listen to them for 1-2 hours easily, and that there shouldn't be a problem. Whereas others, maybe half an hour, and I feel a bit uncomfortable. So these are very good for that. Should you buy it? Well, if sound quality is super important to you and the speed, then yes. Also, you need to live with that thing that I said. It's a bit annoying, to the thing that you need to put them in the box first and then close the lid before they start disconnecting from a phone. But on the plus side, as I said, they do it really fast. So yeah, I recommend them, but you need to test it. You need to buy it, test it for a week or so to see if that's actually what you're looking for. As with all the other headsets of this type, there is not a single one that is perfect. They all have some kind of their own quirks and annoyances. By the way, the other thing that I like about them is that they have a volume control. I just press and hold. I don't need to press it many times. I just press and hold and it goes up. And on this ear, I press it and hold and the volume goes down. Now this is the internal volume, so it will not change the volume of the phone. So if you're looking for that, you need to find some other headphones. I don't know if there are any headphones that do that, but yeah, I think there are, but these do it internally. Okay, so yeah, enjoy them. Thanks.